Hi everybody, this is Diane Gelson and we're excited to present XShield.
XShield is a tool to manage complex regulation for technology companies that operate in different jurisdictions. This tool helps engineering team maintain the software in compliance of those regulations. It ensures each commit of code is scanned for those violations and get it flagged before release. It leverages the LLM's capability to automate code review, which saves developers a lot of time. It first conducts functionality analysis and then conducts contextual analysis. This helps the LLM understand the code base. Based on that, it can conduct vulnerability check or compliance check on the latest commit or the entire repository.
Our AI infrastructure is set up using multiple Docker containers. This multi-container approach provides us with the flexibility to use different foundational models for our LLM service, and also it provides us with the security and isolation needed to store user repositories safely. We developed, tested, and deployed our entire AI application using Nvidia AI Workbench. By connecting our AI Workbench with our cloud servers, which has Nvidia H100 GPUs, we're able to develop and deploy our infrastructure easily without having to switch between different environments all the time. Since our application is also a multi-container application, we leveraged the Compose feature of AI Workbench to run all of our containers, which included our servers, our cache, our databases, and our large language models easily with one Compose file and a single click of a button. The first component of our application is AI Code Security Check. In the XShield dashboard, users could manage their repositories and also choose the large language models that they want to use for the AI security check. They could also use their fine-tuned large language models by editing the main.py file in the AI service container. Let's go into this messenger application repository. In the repository view, users could either perform a full code security check or a security check on the latest commit. Let's start with the full code security check. Once the security check is done, the user is provided with a list of the files and also all of the issues detected in them. If you look into one of these issues in detail, XShield provides the name of the issue, the detailed reason behind it, and also the code snippet where it was found. The users could also get a suggested fix generated by the large language model. So they get a fixed description and the code that could potentially fix the issue. Let's do a security check on the latest commit using Llama 3.1. In the security check on the latest commit, only the files that were affected in the latest commit are scanned for issues. The second component of our application is data compliance check. Let's add the repository for an online store developed using Express. In the registration screen, users could add their own data compliance policy files. Let's use a sample one for this test. Let's go into our eShop Express repository now. Just like the code security check, we could do a full compliance check or compliance check on our latest commit. Let's do a full compliance check for this test. Once the compliance check is done, XShield gives us a list of files where potential compliance issues are found. Let's go into this app.js file. If you look into one of these issues that were identified, for example, this GDPR violation, we can see that this could be an issue in the EU region. XShield provides us with a detailed reasoning and also identifies the code snippet where it was found. In this case, it's because the session cookies are not secure and HTTP only. Now the users can see a suggested fix, which has a fixed description and also the code snippet that could potentially fix the issue. Now the user knows that they have to configure their cookie like this for their code to be more compliant.